All right, the first part here, it says name the course for each direction. All right, and the first one says northeast. So we draw our compass crosshairs. This would be north, and this is east. So for northeast, it's going to go right in between those two marks. And so we are going to say 45 degrees, because from north, you go 45 degrees this direction here. Southeast, we would say this is south, and this is east. So it's going to be right in the middle here. So it's going to be 90 plus, this would be an additional 45 degrees, and so that would be 135 degrees. Next it says what would be the course for the direction of northwest. So northwest would be like right here. So from north you'd go around, you'd go 90, 180, 270, plus 45 more. So 270 plus 45 more would be 315 degrees. Then we have southwest. This would be south, and this is west. So it's going to be even right there. And so you always start from north, clockwise rotation. So it'd be 90, 180, plus 45 more. So 180 plus 45 would give us 225 degrees. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn the page and see if we can do these also. When you're giving these sight questions, you can remember that one of the ways to remember to do it is you always add or subtract 180 degrees. So I'm going to kind of show you two ways. To start with, it says ship A sights ship B on a bearing of 70 degrees. So this is A, and it sights ship B so that this is 70 degrees right here. So here's ship B. And we know if this is 70 here, alternate interior angles would tell us this is 70 here. So it says, what is the bearing of ship A from B? So you'd go, well, it's going to be 90, then 180 plus 70. So 180 plus 70 more, I believe, is going to give us 250. Okay, so that's one way you can do it. Also, if the angle they give you is smaller than 180, you're always going to add 150 degrees. So you just say 70 degrees plus 180, and 0 and 7 and 8 make 15. So 250 degrees. You can always do it that way. Let's look at the next one. It says ship X sights ship Y on a bearing of 310 degrees. So let's say this is X, and it sights ship Y in a bearing of 310. So if you go 90, 180, 270, you need to go 40 more degrees. So this is 40 degrees right here. And you keep going, and then it sights ship Y. Then it says, what is the bearing of X from Y? Well, if this is 40 degrees, this is also 40 degrees. This would be 90 here, so 90 plus 40, because you're thinking, how do I get back to here? 90 plus 40 would be 130 degrees. And that is your answer. Now, if you follow the same rule I did up here, like when I showed you the second way, you always add or subtract 180 degrees. Well, if you added 180, this would be bigger than 360. So we're going to subtract 180. So you go 310 minus 180. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 11 minus 8 is 3. And we borrowed 1, so this is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 130 degrees. So two ways to do the same problem.